Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Mark from TSCVS, National Taidong Commercial Vocational Senior High School. Today I'm going to talk about DuoLiang train station. DuoLiang train station is a beautiful site in Taimali Township, Taidong. Although it is not used anymore, there are still trains passing by. Now it has become a popular tourist attraction on the South Link line in eastern Taiwan. Thousands of people visit there on weekends, especially during consecutive holidays. The train station is famous for its beautiful sights. For example, you can see the Pacific Ocean from the railway platform. In addition, there is a house over there called Adidan Story House. It used to be DuoLiang Elementary School. Afterwards, it was re-employed as a base of Taiwan culture heritage. It is also home to the Xiangyang Carpentry Workshop that collects beautiful works of art. Finally, tourists can also capture truly heavenly photos there. In front of the angel wing, it is 3 meters tall. The view of the angel wing with the backdrop of blue sky and sea on the east coast is amazing. Indeed, DuoLiang train station is one of the most beautiful sites of South Link line. Tourists can view beautiful sights and take amazing photos when they pay a visit to DuoLiang train station. On the other hand, it can boost the local economic. It must deserve your visit. Thank you for listening.